Okay, we're sailing off the coast of Martha's Vineyard here on our 27-foot O'Day sloop. We're using just the jib because we have plenty of wind. We have Captain Anthony that is at the helm. Pull your glasses on for a minute. We'll just have to deal with it. There we go. We got Captain Anthony at the helm, and excellent. We're doing about 5.3 knots. Wow, nice. We're in the middle of East Chop and West Chop, headed for Oak Bluffs. And we're actually keeping up with the ferry. This is unbelievable. I don't think we'll beat the ferry in, but it's good sailing. Wow. Nice. Okay, turn it a little bit to the right, please. There we go. Nice. Straighten it out. Good. Wow. Nice.